5 best robot vacuums. There are more RoboVacs than ever on the market today, and they have come a long way from the very first one we tested in our Good Housekeeping Institute cleaning lab way back in 2002. We regularly test all types of vacuums in our labs, from stick vacuums to canister vacuums to HEPA vacuums to vacuums for pre-hair and so much more. For robots, we test these vacuums by setting them loose in a special 2-room obstacle course to observe on how well they transition from hard floors to carpet. Example: if they get stuck or not, how well they nab debris along walls and in corners, and whether or not they can go under and around furniture and from room to room. We measure the particles in pet hair they pick up from carpet and hard floors. Number 1. RoboVac 15C Max. One of the quietest vacuums we tested, the Eufy robot was the top performer, thanks to its 2-side brushes and roller brush action, and is packed with high-end features all at a price that's hard to pass up, making it a favorite with Amazon reviewers. Its sleek, super slim design, just under 3 inches tall, means it can slip beneath low ottomans and couches to nab even the most difficult to reach dirt. Eufy uses BoostIQ technology to automatically increase suction power when it detects an extra strength cleaning job is needed. Its large wheels helped it climb over door ledges and easily move from medium pile carpet to hardwood or tile. With its advanced sensors, Eufy avoids any tumbles off ledges or stairs and bumping your furniture. Slim design gets under low furniture. Multiple options for deep or regular cleaning. Removes pet hair from carpet with ease. Number 2. BISSELL EV675. With its wonderfully quiet motor, we almost forgot the BISSELL EV675 was maneuvering its way through our test rooms, running for up to 100 minutes before it needed recharging. It uses 2-edge brushes and a rotating brush roller to quickly clean pet hair and dry messes on bare floors, including along edges and in corners. Its low-profile design helped it navigate into tight spaces and under furniture. Though it's not Wi-Fi connected, with the remote, you can direct the robot to clean only the edges, or do a quick spot clean, which it did very well. You can also easily set a future cleaning schedule to take care of your home when you're away. Like others, the automatic sensors detect stairs and drop-offs and alert the robot to low battery levels so that it can automatically return to the docking station to recharge. The BISSELL is a great starter RoboVac for those not into touchy gadgets. Number 3. Best Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair. Amarey 900. Robot vacuums can often struggle with pet hair, but the budget-friendly Amarey 900 was the top scorer for pet hair pickup. Among our winners, and any hair that got stuck in the brush was easier to remove. Using visual navigation, the Amarey maps out your space, following the optimal cleaning path around obstacles. Its first cleaning session may seem erratic while mapping, but the maps enable it to become substantially more efficient with future cleanings. Its slim design, only 2.75 tall, lets it glide under beds and low furniture to clean hard-to-reach places. It offers 4 different cleaning modes, including spot cleaning and edge cleaning. The auto mode adjusts suction for different floor types, increasing suction when it detects carpet. In our tests, the Amarey was quiet and clean for up to 2 hours before returning to its charging dock. If it runs out of juice in the middle of a job, once it is fully charged it will return to pick up where it left off. Number 4. Samsung PowerBuilt R7070 PET. Looking for a robot vac to clean your carpet while taking gentle care of your floors? Look no further. The Samsung PowerBuilt R7070 was excellent at picking up dirt and fluff from carpet, bested only by our best value pick. Its wide brush roller means a larger area is cleaned with each pass, and automatic detection of the surface types enables the power bit to adjust its suction for the best cleaning. Its onboard camera and full view sensors create an ideal cleaning path while avoiding obstacles, but it's the Edge Clean Master feature that blew us away. When the sensors pick up that it's nearing a corner or edge, an innovative rubber blade extends to help pull dust and debris from these hard-to-reach areas into the vacuum. Number 5. Scout RX2 Home Vision Robot Vacuum. With outstanding maneuverability, the Miele Scout RX2 Home Vision can vacuum through your home for up to 2 hours, taking care of your floors and carpet without bumping into obstacles. During testing, this pick vacuumed every size mess efficiently and more quickly than our other winners. It was speedy at spot cleaning, too. Rotating front brushes reach deep into corners and edges. It has multiple cleaning modes, depending on the cleaning you need. The turbo mode is noisier, though, and its multiple sensors prevent it from bumping into furniture or toppling downstairs. Don't rely on only the sensors to protect your investment. A handy boundary strip included is easily installed to stop the robot from entering a no-go area. A 2-year warranty comes standard, which is double the usual duration, and the cleaning tool for maintenance is installed in the dustbin, so it can't get lost or misplaced.